I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to talk you through reassembling your Somfy motorised track if it has arrived as a split length track in two pieces. So the belt forms a continuous loop, and the belt has been disconnected for transportation so that we can supply the track in two halves. So upon delivery, you need to reassemble the belt so that your track is ready for installation. And this video is going to talk you through the steps of how to do that. The first thing that you need to do is disassemble the overlap arm or butt carrier by removing the two screws as shown. Next, remove the metal plate. The next stage of the process is then to straighten the track. When you slide the two plastic carriers together, the track will naturally rejoin. Turn the track over and then put the connecting bridge so that there is half on each side of the track. And then tighten the screws. You should now be able to push the two plastic carriers together and slide them freely along the track. Reinsert the metal plate as this locks the two carriers together as shown. Finally, reassemble the overlap arm or butt carrier by tightening the screws. If you have any questions or need any assistance with the reassembly of your Somfy motorised track, please do get in touch. And please call the customer care team on 01590 615 775 and press option 2, or email customercare@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk and a member of the team will be delighted to help. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with new product news, product information and useful hints and tips for your interiors. Thank you very much for watching.